Hi guys, welcome to this English Malarkey. We've been on an absolute break for ages, I'm so sorry, but you've been watching, which is great, and we're back again in Cambridge. We're going to ask people how their summer was 2021. Bit of a weird one because of COVID and that, but we're back. We're going to do some more videos for you. Let's get to it. That's good, yeah. So how was your summer 2021?
It was different.
Yeah.
We did a little bit of a road trip, which was nice. Went down through Somerset and Devon and Cornwall, and then came back to Cambridge, which was quite nice.
Well, I'm visiting today, so I'm originally from up north, and this is my sister, and she lives here. So we live in Yorkshire, and just been going.
Staycations.
Yeah, just been lots
been
of
to
little...
Dorset.
That's a great
You've
word.
been to Edinburgh.
What was that word again?
Staycation.
What's a staycation?
You go.
It's a vacation where you stay. So
In the same country.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Does
we
that
had a
count?
staycation.
Does that
Yes,
count as a staycation?
it would. I think it would count.
We
as a
usually
stay.
go to another country, but
Okay.
not this year, obviously.
Yeah.
And then we're going to try and go to Scotland next month on a plane.
That's a loud bike.
Yeah.
Sorry, Scotland, and then what do you
We're
say?
going on a plane,
Oh,
so
very
that'll be nice, I think. But we'll see.
Very good. Summer 2021, bit of a strange one. How was it for you folks?
Yeah, it was really good. We actually went to Croatia on holiday 2 weeks ago, so managed to get away, and now we're both back working. So
She said. No, it was great. Yeah, we made the most of it despite all the restrictions and stuff. So.
We live in different areas,
Yep.
so we travel up and down the country seeing each other. But with COVID and everything else, it's been hard to actually go in and do anything. So you can go places, but everything's shut.
Yeah.
Quite
So that's been-
limited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's been quite tricky to get around.
Not a lot. I recently moved down here about a month ago. Most of it I just spent working and playing video games, really.
What have you managed to do then?
We went to Blackpool.
Yeah, we managed to get to Blackpool,
Okay.
Yeah.
go camping, things like that.
Very nice.
So we've managed to get things done, but normally we go to cities. So we've been to Manchester and places before.
Sure.
But yeah, so it's just limited what we could do.
What did you do this summer?
Just worked mostly. Looked after my mum because she's not been well, and that's about it really.
What do you work as?
Dental nurse. Yeah.
And you like it?
Yeah, it's alright, pays bills.
But yeah, it's been good.
And what's Blackpool famous for?
Tower, rock, beaches.
Yep.
So yeah.
The rides, fun fairs.
Could you
Yeah.
describe what rock is? Is that like, you don't mean the stone?
No, it's not the stone. So it's a sugar candy rock bar. I'm not entirely sure much else. Like a boiled sweet, I suppose, is a better way of looking at it.
Just sugar, isn't
Just
it?
a
really?
sugar.
Me and my mates play like Warzone, Call of Duty, but I'm more into my Splinter Cell and stuff like that, sneaky stuff. So.
How many PCR tests did you have to take to get there and stuff?
God, you less than me because you're fully vaxxed, aren't you?
yeah, so none on the way there, and then 2 on the way back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have to do any, did you say? Or?
Yeah, so I did one the day we flew out, one the day we flew back, and then a day 2 test, and that's green list as well.
You didn't fancy the PCR tests and stuff like that going abroad?
I already have PCR. I have it through work. I do it twice a week.
Okay, yeah.
I do PCR twice a week, and then we have laminar floors as well. So
Right, okay. So obviously they're really expensive and stuff. So.
I get them free through work.
Nice. Where do you work? We're gonna have to go.
AstraZeneca.
Well, there you go. So any surprise there? No.
No.
That's great stuff. You're not the first Northerners we've had today.
Oh really?
Yeah. So lots of like people doing their staycations in Cambridge.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah.
my first time here. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Because you've lived here for 2 years, but because of COVID and stuff, I've not actually been to visit yet. So making the most of that, and it's been really nice. But yeah, been at home. I've been up to Edinburgh a lot. My boyfriend lives up there.
Okay.
And that's it. Yeah.
Very nice. Well, thanks for your help. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Have a good rest of your staycation. Cheers. How was your summer 2021?
Well, obviously pretty grim for the COVID travel restrictions, but I managed to get away, which was good.
Okay.
And then a bit of concern for family members who couldn't travel and were stuck in Britain with its poor weather. But it was overall it was pretty good.
Okay, good. So you managed to get away then?
Yeah. I went to Poland to see a friend,
Nice.
And I didn't know whether I would actually be able to arrive in the country with all the vaccinations and certificates, but it went fine, so it was good. Yeah.
Glad to hear.
Yeah.
How many PCR tests did you have to do though?
Oh, look, I got my no, it's up here, isn't it? Yeah, I'm so familiar with strangers sticking things up my nose. Yeah, but it went okay. It went okay.
Glad to hear.
No.
Thanks very much.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
it.
Okay.